Why social media marketing? Key reasons why businesses do social media marketing. Here's a comprehensive and in-depth tutorial on why businesses engage in social media marketing. Introduction to why social media marketing. Social media marketing has become an essential aspect of modern business strategies due to its profound impact on brand visibility, customer engagement, and overall growth. This tutorial will delve into the reasons why businesses choose to invest in social media marketing and how it contributes to their success. Benefits of social media marketing. Brand awareness and visibility. 1. Social media platforms offer a vast and diverse user base, allowing businesses to showcase their brand to a global audience. 2. Consistent presence on social media enhances brand recognition and recall among users. Direct audience engagement. 1. Social media provides a direct and real-time way to engage with customers, answering questions, responding to feedback, and building relationships. Targeted reach. 1. Social media platforms offer advanced targeting options, enabling businesses to reach specific demographics, interests, and behaviors. Customer insights. 1. Social media platforms provide valuable data and insights into customer behaviors, preferences, and trends, aiding in informed decision-making. Content distribution. 1. Social media allows businesses to share various content formats, including articles, videos, images, and infographics, helping to amplify their message. Lead generation and sales. 1. Social media campaigns can be designed to capture leads through forms, contests, and promotions, leading to potential sales. Cost-effective advertising. 1. Social media marketing often offers a cost-effective alternative to traditional advertising methods, providing a higher ROI. Crisis management and reputation building. 1. Social media offers a platform to manage and address crises promptly and build a positive brand image. Competitive advantage. 1. Businesses that effectively leverage social media marketing gain a competitive edge by staying connected and relevant in their industry. Connect with a global audience. 1. Social media transcends geographical boundaries, allowing businesses to connect with potential customers around the world. Engage millennials and Gen Z. 1. These younger demographics are highly active on social media platforms, making it an effective channel to reach and engage them. Build brand loyalty. 1. Consistent interactions on social media create a sense of community and loyalty among customers. Showcase brand personality. 1. Social media provides a platform to humanize the brand, showcasing its values, culture, and personality. Drive website traffic. 1. Sharing content and promotional offers on social media can drive targeted traffic to the business website, increasing conversion potential. Support customer service. 1. Customers often seek quick assistance on social media. Businesses can provide timely support and resolve issues. Track and measure performance. 1. Social media platforms offer analytics tools to track key metrics, enabling businesses to assess the success of their campaigns. Adapt to changing consumer behavior. 1. As consumer behavior evolves, businesses need to adapt. Social media marketing allows them to stay relevant and meet changing expectations. Community building and brand advocacy. 1. Social media platforms offer a unique opportunity for businesses to build a community around their brand. By creating engaging and valuable content, businesses can foster a sense of belonging among their followers. This sense of community can lead to brand advocacy, where loyal customers become vocal supporters, sharing their positive experiences and recommendations with their own networks. Real-time customer feedback. 1. Social media acts as a real-time feedback loop, allowing businesses to gather insights into customer opinions, preferences, and sentiments. Through comments, messages, and reactions, businesses can directly interact with their audience and make informed decisions based on their feedback. This constant dialogue aids in improving products, services, and overall customer satisfaction. Influencer collaboration. 1. Social media marketing opens the door to influencer collaborations. Businesses can partner with social media influencers who have established credibility and a significant following in their respective niches. These influencers can help businesses reach a larger and more targeted audience, leveraging their trust and authority to endorse products or services. Storytelling and emotional connection. 1. Social media provides a platform for businesses to tell their brand story in a compelling and emotional way. Through visual content, videos, and personal anecdotes, businesses can create an emotional connection with their audience. This connection not only humanizes the brand but also fosters a deeper level of engagement and loyalty. Adapting to platform evolution. 1. Social media platforms are constantly evolving, introducing new features, algorithms, and trends. Businesses that embrace these changes and adapt their strategies can maintain a competitive edge. Staying up to date with platform updates and trends allows businesses to capitalize on emerging opportunities and reach their audience in innovative ways. Global and local marketing. 1. Social media marketing allows businesses to simultaneously reach a global audience while tailoring their message to local markets. This flexibility is especially beneficial for businesses with both international and localized offerings. Social media platforms offer targeting options that enable businesses to create region-specific campaigns and connect with customers on a more personal level. Enhanced Customer Relationship Management, CRM. 1. Social media platforms provide businesses with tools to enhance their customer relationship management. From personalized responses to addressing customer inquiries, businesses can create a seamless and positive customer experience. Social media CRM also enables businesses to segment their audience for more targeted marketing efforts. Data-driven decision-making. 1. Social media marketing generates a wealth of data and analytics, which businesses can use to make data-driven decisions. By analyzing engagement metrics, click-through rates, conversion rates, and other performance indicators, businesses can refine their strategies, optimize content, and allocate resources more effectively. Showcasing innovation and trends. 1. Businesses can use social media platforms to showcase their innovation, product launches, and industry trends. By sharing behind-the-scenes content, sneak peeks, and insights into their processes, businesses can position themselves as thought leaders and stay ahead of industry developments. Networking and partnerships. 1. Social media isn't just a platform for customer engagement. It's also a space for businesses to network and form partnerships. B2B businesses, in particular, can use social media to connect with potential collaborators, suppliers, and industry peers, fostering mutually beneficial relationships. Conclusion. Social media marketing is not just a trend but a fundamental aspect of modern business strategies. The benefits it offers in terms of brand visibility, audience engagement, lead generation, and competitive advantage are undeniable. By understanding the reasons behind social media marketing, businesses can harness its power to connect with their target audience, build brand loyalty, and achieve their marketing objectives effectively.